Welcome to Alltech, your go-to channel for honest and detailed tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Uzifhdhi RCA to HDMI Adapter converter, a small but powerful device that bridges the gap between older RCA devices and modern HDMI displays. If you want to know the price and more details of this product, you may check the link in the description box below. The Uzifhdhi RCA to HDMI converter is a practical solution for connecting legacy devices to smart TVs or monitors. It effortlessly converts analog RCA composite input into HDMI output, supporting resolutions of 720p and 1080p at 60Hz. Whether you're watching vintage VHS tapes or enjoying retro gaming on a modern screen, this adapter ensures compatibility and clear visuals. This device is thoughtfully designed for simplicity. On one end, you'll find the RCA female ports to connect your source device, such as an old DVD player, N64, or VCR. On the other end, there's an HDMI output that connects to your TV or monitor. Just ensure you connect the included USB power cable to a 5V source, as the adapter requires external power to function. One of its standout features is its plug-and-play capability. No drivers or complicated setup. Just hook it up, power it on, and enjoy seamless operation. Additionally, it supports various video formats like PAL, NTSC, CCAM, and more, making it highly versatile across global standards. If you're looking to relive nostalgic media or repurpose old devices, the Uzifhdhi RCA to HDMI adapter converter is a reliable and budget-friendly choice. Its compatibility, ease of use, and ability to upscale older formats to modern resolutions make it a must-have. That's it for today's review on Alltech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions or want more reviews like this. See you in the next video.